Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel GK for everyone. Do keep supporting our channel. In the long run, we have been great that in such a short time we have make up to 105 subscribers till date. So do keep supporting us in the future and do point our mistakes and do make us a big society so that you can also be benefited from our contents and we also get inspired to give you a better contents. Okay, do like our channel, share it, subscribe it, and do press the bell icon attached to it so that you can get all the notifications of all our latest updates. So without wasting any time, let's start the day's current affairs. Today is 1st of July and it's 2nd of July and it's celebrated as World UFO Day. UFO is an unidentified flying object. It's celebrated as World Uniform UFO Day to commemorate the supposed UFO crash incident in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947. World UFO Day is celebrated every year on the second day of July to spread awareness about the unidentified flying objects and aims to acknowledge the existence of UFOs. The day was first observed in 2001 by UFO researcher Haktan Ekdogan. On this day, the people gather together to watch the skies looking for extraterrestrial objects. So this is it. Who has become the youngest ever chess grandmaster? He is Abhimanyu Mishra, uh, of Indian origin, has become the youngest ever chess grandmaster. He is 12-year-old. He has broken the record of 12 years and 7 months set by GM Sergey Karjakin in 2002. Abhimanyu is 12 years and 4 months and 25 days old. So it has been a proud moment for India. This is his picture, the young little champ, who is to be appointed as the new IAF, that is Indian Air Force Vice Chief. He is Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Okay. He is currently serving as Commander-in-Chief in the IAF's Western Wing Command that looks after the security of the country's airspace in sensitive Ladakh sector as well as the various other parts of North India. So okay, this is his picture, Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Which rank did India achieve in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? So India has secured 20th rank this time, but in 2019 India was in the 17th position, so it has slipped 3 steps, with cities like Bangalore in the top. USA still dominates the index with the first position, where San Francisco tops the list. So the next question, which film won the best biographical documentary section film award in the Toronto International Women's Film Festival? Is the film Decoding Shankar. Freelance filmmaker Dipti Pillai Sivan's most touted documentary, Decoding Shankar, about the life and career that celebrated musician Shankar Mahadevan, recently won the Best Film Award in the documentary section at the Toronto International Film Festival 2021. This is the thumbnail of the film. So that is the documentary. Who has been recommended by the BCCI for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2021? The two talented young players are Ravichandran Ashwin and Mithali Raj, both are from cricket. KL Rahul, then Shikhar Dhawan, Jasprit Bumrah's names have been recorded for the Arjuna Award. Okay, this is great. In the left side is the picture of Ravichandran Ashwin, and in the right comes Mithali Raj, who has been playing cricket for a long time. It has been 22 years now, just after Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar. So next question, which country has passed a bill recently bill remove Confederate statues of those who supported slavery? It has been passed by USA. Which former president of South Africa has been sentenced to 15 months in jail? It's Jacob Zuma. He has been president of South Africa from the term 2009 to 2018 for 9 long years. The sentence comes after the constitutional courts found him guilty for contempt for defying its orders to appear at an inquiry into corruption which he was when he was president. Mr. Juma's time in power, which ended in 2018, was dogged off by graft allegations. With which bordering country has the Union Cabinet signed a MOU? That is, MOU means Memorandum of Understanding in the field of health research. It has been signed with Myanmar. Who is the author of the book The Policymaker Journal from New Delhi to Washington DC? He is Kaushik Basu, former chief economic advisor to the Indian government and a great economist in the World Bank in Washington. This is his picture. So some points of the day: former US Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld passes away at 88. He passed away on June 30, 2021. Donald Rumsfeld has served the US Secretary of Defense under former US President Gerald Ford from 1975 to 1977, then under President George W. Bush from 2001 to 2006. Okay. City in Pakistan records the highest temperature. Pakistan Jacobabad city in Sindhu province has recorded the world's highest temperature up to almost 52 degrees Celsius in the mid-summers. The Pakistani city is located in the Tropic of Cancer, meaning that it is proximity to the sun in summers. Freshwater tunnel aquarium opens in Bangalore station by railways. It is fixed at an entry fees of 25. Currently 25 visitors can visit the aquarium at a time. In the view of the pandemic, this one kind of aquatic park at Krantivira Sengoli Ranayana railway station has been developed by the Indian Railway Stations Development Corporation, that is IRSDC, in collaboration with HNI Aquatic Kingdom. So it's been a great improvement for the tourists also to attract them towards our country. Pakistan's hexacopter drone tries to enter India at 4:25 am, returns after firing by BSF. After that drone incident, again it's a new news. A hexacopter drone belonging to Pakistan tried to enter India by crossing the international border in Arnia sector at around 4:25 am today. The BSF troops fired at the drone and it returned immediately. The BSF said that the drone was meant for carrying out surveillance of the area. Multiple drones have been spotted over Jammu in the past few days. So this cat dog fight between our country and Pakistan. These Pakistanis are just, what to say. So this is all for today. Thanks guys for watching our video. Do visit our Facebook page gyanbhandar.online, and you will also find the PDFs of all our lectures, daily lectures, attached with the video in the description box. Thank you. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.